On the western side, there was a conflict between Iran and Israel. Assumption ये थी उसमें इसराइल की कि हम उनके सारे मिसाइल ख़त्म कर दें. Unfortunately, Israelis ran out of interceptors, and Iranians still had 1,500 intermediate range missiles left. So they asked for a ceasefire. One thing to remember, only those US allies get ceasefires जिनको मार पड़ने लगी हो या काफ़ी नुकसान हो गया हो. Anyway, so उन्होंने ceasefire कर दिया. मामला ख़त्म हुआ? No. ईरान अभी भी उसके पास वो कहता है वहाँ 400 किलोग्राम हमारे पास पड़े हुए हैं enriched material up to 60%. ये 6-7 एटम बॉम्ब से डील कर लेंगे अमेरिकन और इजरायली, इससे ज़्यादा डील नहीं करेंगे. Alright, let's go to the international stage. Who wants Iran to enrich? रूस भी कहता है no enrichment. पूरा वेस्ट कहता है no enrichment. Arabs कहते हैं no enrichment. आप खुद सोच रहे हैं, do you want an Ayatollah with a bomb? Religion is a matter of faith. It's not a matter of logic. So, probably not in Pakistan's interest. Iran nuclear bomb. So, इसकी non-enrichment होनी पड़ेगी. नहीं होगी तो next stage of war जाएंगे, जहाँ ये बिल्कुल बलिया मेट करेंगे ईरान. Now, the question there is, in which state, end state, would Israel and America be happy? The state where Iran is reduced only to its Persian-speaking population. 90 million people, about 50 million speak Persian. And what else do they do? This way I come back to what is going on right now. There was fundamentally, as I said earlier, we are a pivot state for China against India. America supports Israel. Israel is a pivot state for America, and it's supported, reinforced by 16% of the global manufacturing capacity. अब पाकिस्तानियों का ख्याल रखो. China has 36 to 40% of the global manufacturing capacity. वो अभी पीछे खड़ा है. Israel 9 million है. अब 220 million लोग हैं with 40% of the global manufacturing capacity by you. आप Israel से 10 गुना बड़ा मिला है. Reconcile yourself to that thing. It's very difficult to reconcile in your mind to this reality. अच्छा,